Students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about the p block elements. The subtopic is 18 group elements. Now the 18 group elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These are 18 group elements. All the noble gases occur in atmosphere. As we move along the noble gases, atomic radii and boiling point increases helium to radon. The first ionization energy decreases and helium to neon. So helium has highest ionization energy compared to neon to radon because stable electronic configuration. The noble gases have largest ionization energy due to stable electronic configuration. NS2 NP6 configuration. It has stable electronic configuration, means it has highest ionization energy. Ionization energy is nothing but the removal of energy required for the removal of electron from the outermost cell. Here, what are the elements present in 18 group element? So helium first, atomic number 2, neon 10, argon 18, krypton 36, xenon 54 and radon 86. Here the possible isotopes are exhibited. Neon has neon 20, argon 40, krypton 84, xenon 132, radon 211 and radon 220 and radon 222. Now the general physical properties of noble gases. All the noble gases are monoatomic molecule like helium, neon, argon, because the all noble gases are diatomic molecule not possible because bond order is always 0. So diatomic molecule does not exist. So all the noble gases are monoatomic molecule, odorless, which means no smell, specific smell, colorless and tasteless, non-inflammable, do not burning, and highly unreactive, no reaction with other elements, non-metallic nature. So these are physical properties of noble gases. Next, chemical properties of noble gases. First, xenon. Xenon is treated with xenon only. In the noble gases family, xenon exhibited some compounds with a highly atmospheric pressure. Okay, the xenon treated with fluorine in presence of nickel and 400 degrees Celsius to form xenon difluoride. Xenon treated with 2 moles of fluorine in the presence of nickel and acetone medium at 400 degrees Celsius to form xenon tetrafluoride. Xenon treated with 3 moles of fluorine and nickel and 200 atmospheric pressure and 400 degrees Celsius to give xenon hexafluoride. Xenon hexafluoride treated with silicon dioxide at 50 degrees Celsius to form 2 moles of xenon oxytetrafluoride and silicon tetrafluoride are obtained. Next one is 2 moles of xenon oxyfluoride tetraoxyfluoride is treated with xenon sulfur dioxide to give xenon dioxide is obtained and silicon tetrafluorides are byproduct. Now suppose xenon difluoride is treated with silicon dioxide to give xenon trioxide and silicon tetrafluorides are obtained. Xenon hexafluoride treated with or undergoes hydrolysis reaction to give xenon trioxide and 6 moles of hydrogen fluoride. Next one, the xenon hexafluoride treated with sodium hydroxide, sodium xanthate and xenon and oxygen and 12 moles of sodium fluoride and 18 moles of water obtained. The very good oxidizing power of xenon. Xenon hexoxide ions is treated with permanganate medium in the acid medium to form 2 moles of manganese tetraoxide ion and xenon oxide trioxide and 7 moles of water obtained. Next important one more question and neat also. Xenon fluoride exhibited sp3 dehybridization. It has linear structure xenon and fluorine. Next, xenon tetrafluoride exhibited sp3d2 hybridization, square planar shape. Xenon present in the central metal atom, the fluorine, 4 fluorine atom surrounded by 1 xenon molecule. Next, xenon hexafluoride sp3d3 distorted octahedron. Here fluorine 6 moles of fluorine surrounded by 1 xenon and 1 lone pair of electron. It has the distorted octahedron shape. Xenon oxide trifluoride is sp3 dehybridization, T-shaped. Xenon present in the central and fluorine, and here also fluorine and 1 oxygen. This is distorted, T-shaped. Next, xenon oxide tetrafluoride sp3d2 is a square pyramidal. Square pyramidal means here 1 fluorine and other fluorine, 4 fluorine atoms there, and next central metal atoms directly bonded with the oxygen. Xenon trioxide sp3 hybridization, pyramidal shape is here xenon, oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. Okay students, we will meet next class with another topic. Thank you.